Today we're unboxing #FailFix doll. Take over the makeover with at Loves Glam. Brush and style, there's a magic mask and a surprise fashion. Recommended for ages 6 and up. Down here it says apply the magic mask, brush out the foul style, the red carpet curls, and reveal fashion look. A total transformation. And then below that it tells us what's included. And over here it shows us the steps again. So let's get this doll out of the box. So here's the doll out of the box, and this is her surprise fashion dress. It's black and gold. It has a painted on belt and shoulder pads that are gold. We also have a stand here, so let's put that together. So there's the stand. It is adjustable. You can move up, or we can put it lower. Here we have the magic mask. We have this teal brush. We have 2 golden curlers and some hair bands that are yellow. Here we have like a collector's list. It shows us everything included and then the steps for the makeover. So it says the first thing we have to do is remove the accessories from her hair. So let's get them out. There's one shoe here. It's a black boot. It's got gold chains on it. Here's the other one. We have like a little gold necklace here. And here we have 2 gold earrings. Next, it says to apply the magic mask here, so let's do that. Just click it behind the ears, and now she has her magic mask on. Next, it says to brush 1 strand at a time, so let's do that. Next, it says to remove the magic mask, so let's do that. And now, as you can see, she has some makeup on. Then it says to do the curls, so let's do that. So after waiting, here's how the curls turned out. Now we can put on her accessories and then she'll be all done. So here's how the doll looks. And now that her makeover is finished, if you want to do it again, you can remove the sculpted face from the mask and attach it back to the doll and start all over.
Her head can turn.
Her arms go back and forth out to the side. She can bend at the elbow and she has movement at the wrist. Her legs go forward and back and she can bend at the knee. So this is the FailFix Takeover Makeover doll. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.